Place sensors in the rooms that matter most to experience comfort that stays with you. Works with all Ecobee thermostats to deliver comfort where it counts and help manage hot or cold spots. Detects motion to deliver comfort when you're home, save energy when you're away, and adjust temperature in rooms that are in use. Works with Ecobee Smart Security to send notifications when motion is detected. No wires. Installs in seconds. Use the Ecobee app to check and adjust the temperature in important rooms like the nursery. Top reviews from the United States. Works great, averages temp among sensors. The concept is pretty simple. The Ecobee thermostat simply sees the inside temperature as the average of all of your sensors, then runs the HVAC until the set point is reached, based on the average of the sensors, not just the sensor inside the thermostat. Sounds simple, right? However, they are amazing in action. I have a one-level ranch home about 1,700 square feet. The right 1/3 road of my home stays about 5 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the rest of the home when it is hot outside. I added 2 sensors to that part of the home and an hour later, the temperature difference in my home was 1 degree Fahrenheit. See the uploaded photo. Update. I should have pointed out that most homes need to have the register dampener opened or closed the correct amount to control airflow, and thus temperature where the register is. Registers closest to the fan have much more airflow. I have moved my sensors a couple of times and adjusted flow rate of registers a couple of times. With tweaking, my home is typically within 1 degree Fahrenheit across all sensors. And yes, getting it right did allow me to increase my AC set point from 71 to 73 for the same level of comfort.